Trigonometric identities number 9. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. Now, this is in the tables. Tan is equal to sine over cos. Tan A is equal to sine A over cos A. Tan B is equal to sine B over cos B. But you should remember this. Now, tan A plus B is going to be equal to sine A plus B over cos A plus B. Sine over cos. It doesn't matter what the angle is, it's still sine over cos. And from previous knowledge, the sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is not something you try and remember in the tables because they're all so similar. You definitely need to go to the tables to get these identities. And that's the cos of A plus B is the cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Now we have to go from this guy back to this guy. So the key is actually in the question here. Let's look at this position here. We want a number 1. So how would I get a number 1 in this position here? And this is the key to this proof. I'd have to divide this term by cos A cos B. And in fact, if I divide one term by cos A cos B, I have to divide everything by cos A cos B. So I'm going to divide sine A, this top term here, sine A cos B. I'm dividing by the one underneath it, cos A cos B. You can see what's going to start happening here. They cancel. Plus this cos A sine B over, I'm again dividing by cos A cos B. I'm dividing each term by the same thing. The cos A's cancel. Over, we'll write it out the long way, cos A cos B. To get my 1, I'm dividing it by cos A cos B. And minus sine A sine B divided by cos A cos B. So what am I left with? I'm left with this guy on the left, tan A plus B is equal to sine A over cos A is tan A. Sine B over cos B is tan B. The same thing over itself in position here is 1. And then we have a minus sine A over cos A is tan A. And sine B over cos B is tan B. And that is this proof complete. So the key to it is dividing everything by cos A cos B and the knowledge that tan is equal to sine over cos.